Hi everyone, welcome. So in this video we are going to make a real Admob ad unit and implement them in our Godot game project. So let's start. So let's open our Admob dashboard. So this is our Admob dashboard, and currently I have one game that's been published and another game is in publishing mode. So next we are going to make a new app. Click on the apps tab, and in here just click on add app. And next we are going to select the platform Android, and is the app listed on or supported on App Store? No, we are just making the app, so click on no and then hit continue. And next for the platform Android we are going to name our app. So my app will be Marble Music Race and add app. And we have successfully created our Marble Music Race app. Done. And then we are here in our app Marble Music Race, and to add the ad unit just click on add units, and then we can create many ad units. First of all, let me create a banner ad unit. Just select banner ad, and then in the ad unit name we are going to write the name of ad unit. For now I'll just write banner ad and then hit create ad unit, and as simple as this we have created our banner ad. And these are the ad IDs that we are going to use it in our Godot game, and you can copy it from here or from dashboard also. Done. Click on done, and we can see our banner ad unit and its ID. Next click on add unit again, and for my case I'll use a reward ad. Let's select the reward ad and give a name. So I'll just write a reward ad for the name, and then in the reward settings you can just modify these settings. You can give multiple rewards or the name of the reward or item. So for my case I will not use anything, just create an ad unit and then click on done. So I have created reward ad and banner ad. For my case I will just use reward ad. So let me copy the ad ID of reward ad, copy it, and then let me get back to our project. And I've already opened the Admob ad node, and then in the inspector panel just go there and just click on the is real. So we are going to use the real ad unit right now, and in the real ads tab open it and let me just paste it in the reward ad ID. And now we are going to need an application ID or app ID also. So let's go back to our Admob dashboard and let's see where we can find our app ID in the overview. So I don't think we gonna see in overview, so let's go to app settings, and then here we can find our app ID. Just copy the app ID, copy it, and then let's get back to our project, and in the application ID we are going to paste our app ID, and that's it. And in this way we are going to create our reward ad or Admob ad units, real Admob ad units, and we can use it just like what we have done in the sample ad units provided by Admob. So thank you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you next time.